Hello, hello, live from Pearl Island out of Nassau, Bahamas. Doing a little walking tour. Pearl Island. Gonna walk to the lighthouse. And thought I would go live for you guys. Share this beautiful island on this beautiful day. We just got off the Celebrity Summit. And we are here for a couple of hours on Pearl Island. Feel free to ask any questions about Pearl Island, about the Bahamas, about cruising, and try to answer them from my perspective. On our little walking tour to the lighthouse, which you will see in the distance. It is a pretty hot day today. It's probably in the high 80s. Water is kind of frigid, but we were able to swim and enjoy it. There's a lighthouse in the distance that we'll walk to, and we'll be able to go up to the very top. But this is Pearl Island for anybody who is just now joining. It is a island off of Nassau. We docked this morning on the Celebrity Summit, and were boated to this island. It's similar to Coco Cay in terms of like the idea, but definitely recommend Coco Cay more than this. Of course, Coco Cay is Royal Caribbean's island. I don't know if Celebrity owns this island or if it's just a partnership with the Bahamian government, but it is kind of a different vibe. Coco Cay, if anybody's gone, it's all kinds of restaurants and bars on the island. There's all kinds of stuff to do. There's a lot of beach access. The island tends to be like 3 or 4 times bigger than Pearl Island. Here it's a bit more rustic. They didn't really have like much food or drinks. There's like one bar, so it's pretty chill and laid back, I guess, in terms of that. So we'll go, there's a lighthouse, so we'll go up to it. And the island's actually pretty small. We were only given about almost 4 hours to explore the island and hang out, which initially I didn't think was going to be enough. But yeah, it's been plenty of time. Go this way. It is pretty quiet on the island. There's not too many people here. I'd say like maybe 100 of us. So it doesn't feel crowded. There's just not as many things to do as in Coco Cay. We'll go up. So we'll go up to the lighthouse now. So I kind of expected this to be a little bit more like MSC's island. I forget what it's called, but definitely a bigger lighthouse. and a lot more things to do, but this is pretty cool. And we will go to the top. But if you're just now joining, I am on Pearl Island off the coast of Nassau, Bahamas, and feel free to ask any cruising questions, any questions about this island, about Coco Cay, about cruising on Celebrity. So there is Nassau in the distance. That's Atlantis, the Hotel Atlantis, and I forget the other really big one. Some islands in the distance. Not sure what they are. So we came on a boat kind of from there, that direction. And I think we got here at 11:30. It's about 1:49. And we'll be leaving pretty shortly. So quick little trip. Here's here's all of Pearl Island. So you can see, unlike Coco Cay, it's not very big at all. It's probably like a fourth of this size. But it's beautiful. It's been fun. I don't regret booking this excursion that was offered through the cruise ship. But I definitely was expecting a little bit more, expecting it to be more like Coco Cay in terms of service and offerings and things to do, but it is beautiful here. So not a bad view for a Friday afternoon. Is it Friday? But if you have any questions, let me know about the Bahamas. I was just in Freeport and Exuma. Well, I was in Freeport for a month back in June, and then Exuma last year, and now here again in Nassau. And then tomorrow or the next day the next day we're going to Bimini. So getting in the Bahamas islands one at a time. Apparently there's like 700 Bahamian islands. And this is just one. I don't know much about this lighthouse either. I don't know. I'm assuming they built it for the island and for the Pearl Island experience. Because it doesn't look like it's been here too long. Off in the distance, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there were pigs on this island right here, right in front of us. And I think those pigs were put there. It's not the original Swimming with the Pigs adventure that's in Exuma. This one is off of Pearl Island, and I don't really know much about it. But if anybody's done it that's watching, let me know how it was, because I did the one in Coco Cay, and that's actually one of my top TikTok videos, is the one on Coco Cay. I actually don't recommend it. It was a night and day experience from Exuma's, the one in Exuma. And it was pretty pricey too. Like, it was like $100 and something, I think. And I did not think it was worth it. But you can go replay that video. It's I think it's pinned at the top of my profile. And yeah, so if you're looking to do one of the Swimming with Pig tours, definitely would do the one in Exuma if you have a chance. But this is Pearl Island. I'm glad I got to see it. got to experience it. It is beautiful. It did take forever to get here. It took like an hour and a half on the cruise ship, and then like another 45 minutes to get here from Nassau. If anyone's watching and has been, let me know how you enjoyed it. I don't know if I would come here again. I don't really know if the value was there for the money that we paid. Like I mentioned earlier, like in Coco Cay, there's just so much more food and beverage options, so much more seating options. It was a lot more fun. This is a lot more relaxed, which I do like. It's very quiet. Like I feel like I'm actually the only person in the lighthouse, which is kind of crazy. So there's, not too many people here, which is nice, versus Coco Cay, which does feel like a lot of people. Jinkies is right. Hi Lee, how are you? Live from Pearl Island, Lee, off the Bahamas. Wish you guys were here. Feliz Viernes. Yeah, okay, well you just confirmed that it's Friday. I didn't know if it was or not. Happy Friday to you as well. Here is Pearl Island. Look at the water over here. It's insane. But if anyone's watching and has questions, please let me know anything about this island or being on the Celebrity Summit, or anything about some of the Bahamian islands if you're looking to travel to. Any coffee there? No, I had to make my own cold brew last night on the ship, on the cruise ship. And there's no coffee on this island. There's barely water on this island. But it's nice. It's nice that it's not crowded here. Which sometimes Coco Cay, those kind of islands can be crowded. Do one last kind of 360, and then I am gonna go track down some sort of frozen drink, maybe a pina colada. Got about an hour left here, so just trying to soak it all in. And I'll repost this once it processes from TikTok. So it'll be on YouTube if you guys want to rewatch any of this, any of the footage from Pearl Island. I will have one for you, Lee. Oh, you can see the pigs. I can't zoom in. Oh, yes, I can. Can you see the pigs? Can barely see them. And in Exuma, they just run wild on the beach. Like, they're everywhere. It's crazy. This looks like not as intense of an experience as that. But all right, thanks so much for joining, and I'll see y'all later.